Hello friends, how are you all? Today we will know how to take care of our 0 to 3 months baby so that our child does not face any problem. So let's start. Friends, our first point is that whatever be the birth weight of the child, the weight gain of the child should be up to 6 to 800 gram in every month. If this works, then it means that the child is not feeding properly or you are not able to feed properly. Our second point is that the baby must be fed every 2 hours. If the baby is sleeping, pick up the baby and feed him milk. Our third point is that if the baby is breastfed, then you should finish it completely on the side. Change it only after that because in the beginning the breast milk comes in thin from which contains all the nutrients, and then the thick milk comes in mixed from which contains fat. So only when the child gets full fit his proper weight will increase many times. The mother tries to feed both of them for 5 to 5 minutes and then child is not able to get both the things. Hence if the baby gets full on only one side, then no problem, get both. The baby takes the feed, starts feeding him from the other side. This way he will get all his things. Next point, 0 to 6 months baby should be given breast milk only. Next point, the baby's navel comes out on its own in 5 to 6 days. But if it does not come out, then you do not have to remove it yourself. Just keep paying attention that there is no pus. If you see anything like pus, then you should immediately consult the doctor. See the doctor immediately. Do the blood test. He tells her whether there is something wrong with it or whether it is normal. My baby's navel came out after a month. Next point, babies should normally sleep 14 to 18 hours. But if the baby sleeps less than this and is completely active and eating well, then there is no problem. Our next point is that the mother spicy things. If she eats spicy things, then the baby will have gas problem. Next point, if the baby is having gas problem, then you can apply the asafoetida paste on the side of his navel. You will get instant relief. Keep in mind that the asafoetida paste should not go inside the navel at all. It has to be applied only on the side of the navel. Next point, hygiene must be taken care of. Soak all the baby's clothes thoroughly in Dettol and then dry them thoroughly in the sun. Next point, massage of the baby must be done twice a day. Baby from 0 to 3 months only lay down, so massage is very important for them, which also removes the fatigue of the baby and the blood circulation of the baby remains perfect, plus they do not have any problem of gas. Baby massage is not possible. How should it be done, with which oil, in which season? All this videos. Next point, while massaging the baby, one must do exercise so that the gas gets released very easily. If you do not know how to do the exercise, then you can try by going on the I button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.